In this video, I will show you how the Govee ceiling fan air compares to traditional smart fans on the market today. First, let us look at the modern design. Unlike bulky fans from the past, this unit features a sleek look that fits into any minimalist home. The main highlight is the RGBIC lighting technology. You can sync the colors to your music or set specific scenes using the Govee Home app. On the cooling side, the fan offers multiple speed settings and a reversible motor for winter use. However, there are some downsides to consider. The airthrow is concentrated directly beneath the blades, so it might not cool a massive living room as effectively as a larger 60-inch model. Installation can also be tricky if you are not familiar with wiring smart controllers. On the positive side, the voice control via Alexa and Google Home works flawlessly. Just make sure your room size matches the output. It is a solid balance of style and smart features for your modern home.